Today I'm in Amsterdam and I'm going to be doing a portrait session with our beautiful model Dana.
Hi.
I'm going to be using that 5D Mark IV with a 50 1.4 lens. I'll show you how to take some gorgeous portraits, all natural light. We have beautiful scenery, it's nice weather, all the elements of hopefully some good photos. So let's get started. All right, so we're gonna have Dana in here for our first portrait. And I'm gonna try to get some of this in the foreground. And I don't know if I want a lot of shadows. Yeah, let's try to place you so that there's less shadows, maybe a little bit more backlit. So turn your body towards me and bring your shoulder in. Can you pull that other hair to the back? Yeah, like that, yeah. Chin down just a little, yeah, there it is. Yeah. Great job. We've come a long way. I had a malfunction in my sensor. My sensor was getting dirty. A little bit more shoulder, so bring your shoulder in, yeah, right there. It is super bright out. It's so hot, so we're trying to maneuver Dana in a way that light still looks good. Oh, look, another section right here. We'll have a little bit of pattern, but I actually don't even mind it. Bring your arms up a little, yeah, right there. Don't move. These are great, good job. Get some beautiful portraits, some scattered light on her face. This was really the worst time to shoot. Like for photographers, like this type of light, they would vote no to not go outside and shoot in this light. Chin a little bit more down. There you go. We don't see the shadow on the nose as much. Can you move to the side like this? Yeah. And looking here. Yes, great. Bring your shoulder in even more. Great, yes, perfect. Okay, let's move it. We're in Amsterdam and I'm here at a rose bush. Let's go this way. I like this light. See, this is some nice light right here. We got the shade. I'm looking at Dana as she's walking to see how the background will look too. This is cool. Okay, let's do right here. Maybe do something like to the side a bit. Maybe have your hands holding them kind of like this. Yes, love how you were posing like that. Gotta watch the shadow on the nose though. Come up a little, yeah, there you go, yes. I'm waiting for the wind to die down just a little bit. It's looking like a hair commercial right now, which we don't mind. We love that, right? Oh, it's gone, and it's gone. Great job, yes, beautiful. Okay, let's move to one more spot. I kind of like this. I could shoot everywhere here, honestly. Yes, perfect, perfect. Stay right there. Beautiful, yes. Just bring your neck out a little bit more. Yes, great. Let's just walk down the canal. Let's just do it. This is a walking tour, you guys. It's a walking tour. We love the water, but it's not really showing right now. And there's a car. I'm not scared of the cars here, you guys, but the bikes, there's parking structures for bikes, right?
Yeah. There's
underground.
Also, yeah.
Underground bike parking structures. That's pretty cool. I like that people ride bikes here, and it's a main form of transportation.
Yeah. Even when it's snowing, people go.
They ride bikes?
Yeah.
In America, we do a slip and slide. Everyone will be slipping and sliding. Okay, I'm trying to find, I kind of like that red door too. Maybe just stand right here. I kind of like, it's kind of cool. Thank you, good sir. Look at this man. I don't even mind that he almost hit, like I don't mind. Like if he yells at us, it's through his window, like that's closed, you know? I feel like with bikers, it's so transparent because they're just out, you know? It's like they're right there, so it's different. Maybe like have you just standing like this? Yeah, standing right there. Okay. Open your lips just a little bit. Tilt your head this way. And I do want one like texture, and then I think we can change you. Plain wall right there. Or maybe right here in the middle of the street, right here. I looked 17 different ways. No one's coming, which is great. Like a biker falls through the sky. Relax your face a little bit and open your lips. Yes, perfect. And keep moving your legs, keep moving. Yeah, there you go. Yes, good job. There's a guy hosing down the street. Oh my God. Okay, every man for himself. Oh, we about to get hosed down, guys. Okay. Oh, he's getting the sidewalks too. Oh my God, we're done for. I'm gonna do that brick wall and then we'll have you change. Okay. The light here is pretty too. The light here is very beautiful. Yeah, do that, do that. Yeah, something like that.
I have one nail that broke off.
That's okay. I'll Photoshop it. You'll have like a fresh set of nails.
Yeah, it's so annoying.
You look at the pictures and be like, wow, this is not where.
It's not my nail.
Those are not my fingers. Beautiful. Oh, I love these shots. Maybe do something a little bit further back so that it shows your face a little bit more. Yeah. Bring your other hand in too. Great job. Good job. Love these. Beautiful. And then no hands. And then bring your chin out this way. Yes, there you go. Beautiful. Oh, this is beautiful. Stay right there. Trying to get on my toes here. You don't have to, no, you don't have to do that. That's okay. I should suffer, not you. Let's go on over to the last wall. Actually, I kind of like this. What do you think of this brick? Okay, let's have you here. I want you like reaching.
This,
yes.
It's a bit dusty, but.
I think he's coming to clean it. That man's coming to clean it, you guys. Oh, you guys have to tell me before he comes. Oh my God. It's a race against time. Gorgeous, great. Okay, you guys, am I getting hit yet? The cameramen are looking out for us. Yeah, that's cute. Do that again, yeah. Yes. Bring your bangs out a bit and then look here. Beautiful. Maybe both hands. He's coming. Abandoned ship. He's coming, y'all. He's coming.
He's saying with water it will look beautiful.
Okay, do it. Yes, do it. Spray some water. Do it for the video. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Come stand right here. Come stand here. Yeah.
I'm getting wet.
Thank you. I love him. He's so. Thank you. Okay, let's do that one pose one more time. Oh, this is cool. See how you did this? Yeah. Don't move. Stay right there. Don't move. Great job. We're making friends in Amsterdam. Like, I feel like he's my friend. Come back. You need something for your photo shoot. He just sprays water. Okay, just be standing like this. Yeah. Yes, don't move. Stay right there. Great job. Okay, I could be here all day. You did amazing.
Thank you.
Paul and Alex didn't get hit by a bike.
Yeah, it was better.
Yet.